Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that like button, go on ahead and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload new content. In this video, we will be trying out HelloFresh. Thank you to HelloFresh for sending me meals to try out and give my honest review. A little bit about HelloFresh. HelloFresh has easy to follow recipes with clear nutritional info, high quality ingredients sourced straight from the farm, convenient meal kits that fit perfectly in the fridge, and a fun cooking experience that makes you feel unstoppable. HelloFresh's meal delivery service allows you to skip meal planning and grocery shopping. HelloFresh delivers step-by-step recipes and fresh pre-portioned ingredients right to your door. First, you set your meal plan preferences with options for carnivores, vegetarians, calorie counters, and more. Then you'll choose from 30+ delicious weekly recipes, carefully put together by their chefs, and then you'll receive those recipes with easy-to-follow instructions on the day of your choosing. You can skip a week or cancel anytime if your needs change. HelloFresh offers a wide array of flavorful and nutritious meal kit menu options that cater to a range of dietary needs, making use of crisp, seasonal vegetables, and other fresh produce. HelloFresh can also help you kickstart your 2024 wellness goals without sacrificing flavor. Today we're going to make the smoky barramundi with brown butter, mashed potatoes, and roasted broccoli. So let's get started. Like I stated earlier, I love the fact that HelloFresh provides you with the ingredients that you need to make meals, but also the recipe card that shows you how long prep time is, cook time, calories, and the step-by-step instructions. I'm starting out with the prep of washing and drying the produce, preheating my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and then cutting up my potatoes, scallions, and lemon. I then place the potatoes in a medium pot with water, adding the stock concentrate that they provided, and salt. I put those on to boil and move on to prepping my broccoli. I cut the broccoli up into bite-sized pieces. I tossed them on a baking sheet with the seasonings of my choice and a drizzle of oil, and then I mixed. I roasted them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, let's wash our fish. I then patted the fish dry and began to season. I placed the fish skin side down and added my favorite seasonings and also the smoked paprika that they provided with oil. I rubbed in the seasoning and placed the fish skin side down in a skillet that had oil. I cooked the fish for about 3 minutes or until the skin was crispy. I turned off the heat and then placed the fish on a lightly oiled baking sheet, skin side down, and cooked in my oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Now that the fish is in the oven, let's make our brown butter sauce. Using that same pan that I cooked the fish in, I added some butter and the white scallions that I chopped earlier. I cooked it on medium heat consistently, stirring the butter until it was foamy and you could see that it was browning. I then turned off the heat, squeezed in some lemon juice and the lemon zest, and you also can add your seasonings here as well. Let's finish this meal by mashing up the potatoes. I used some of the cooking liquid that the potatoes cooked in. I used some butter and the sour cream that they provided. I also added my preferred seasonings and then I mashed together. I want to thank HelloFresh again for sending me and my family the meals to try for my honest review. If you are wanting to give HelloFresh a try, I will leave a link below in the description box. Look at how the meal came out. Coming up, you will hear my final thoughts. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. Bye. Taste test time. The fish. I like that. I like the flavor. It reminds me of sea bass. So that's good. The fish is good. Very good meal, easy for a quick weeknight meal. If you're not sure what to cook, HelloFresh has the meal options and plans for you to pick from. But the fish with the brown butter, I would say was very good.